What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2003 Acura TL. As you guys can see, what we've done on it: factory converter, factory miniature resonator, secondary resonator, a little bit bigger. And then what we did is a muffler delete on each side, there, and reused his tips out the back, right there and right there, as you guys can see. There's the factory 2 mufflers that were on it that we cut off. Give it a little bit more sound. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Better? You want more? I can make it louder. You want more loud? Again? Here's sound decibels. Right at 94. Again? It's still muffler delete, guys. He's gonna bring it back. 3.2 liter Acura TLS. I like it. It's clean. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Acura TL muffler delete. Oh yeah, enjoy, guys. That's awesome. We always appreciate them when they get on them like that, to let everybody hear the sound.